Hi, I am excited about this pickleball coaching program, this accelerator. So I sat down and I thought, who do I want to work with? My criteria is they've already shown they can get to a certain level. They're improving already, so I think eventually they're going to hit 4.5, but I can help them get there faster and with more fun. And it's got to be someone that I feel like I want to work with. So this is an invitation-only program, and it'll be 6 weeks. It's one 90-minute session per week, quite religiously, so it's a commitment. It's not quite a boot camp, but a little bit in the direction. You will be assigned a buddy for the duration of the program. That's one of the coolest features. Your buddy will be within a quarter point normally of your rating, and you will do your drilling with your buddy and your lessons with your buddy. The lessons will be from 4 to 8 people, generally, max 8 people. That gives us a chance to mix and match you and have you get pushed by somebody else. But expect your buddy to be there. And 2 hours minimum of drilling is required in between lessons. If you are not up for that, this is not the program for you. The drilling's critical because it's one thing to do a lesson and hope it's going to flow through into your game, but it doesn't. What you need to do is bring that into muscle memory. Another cool feature of this is tracking. You will be tracking your progress throughout the program in the group WhatsApp thread, and I'll be tracking that with you. So even before the program starts, I'll be giving you some prep to post the top 3 errors that you want to get rid of and the top 3 areas you want to improve. And at the end of every lesson, I'll have you get out your phone right there and write down what you learned that lesson. In particular, what's your number 1 focus area for that week, and what are the 3 or 4 bonus things that you learned. Now, people often ask me, well, when is it? I want to see if it fits with my schedule. I do some scheduling magic. The drilling with your buddy is easy. You just set that up yourself with your buddy. But for the lessons, what I do is throw out a poll, and you tell me the days of the week that are good for you and the times that you can do generally, and then I do some scheduling magic, mix and match people, and create the groups for the lessons. If by some remote chance we can't make your schedule work, and in the last program there was one person that I just couldn't make it work, I'll refund your money, and maybe you can join the next one. And my philosophy is we go very narrow and deep versus wide and shallow. Here's what I mean by going deep. This is the pickleball progression that I've developed, and we're going to focus initially on getting your serves deep, your returns deep. You'd be amazed how many of your serves and your returns are attackable. Safe dinks that are not popping up and they're not hitting the net, and drops. We're going to focus and we're going to really drill and go deep on that. Now, I expect within the 6 weeks we'll be able to get on to other things, but it's dependent on your progress in this. So we're going to largely master this, and then we'll probably be able to get to some level 2 stuff, which is some aggressive dinks, some speed ups, and roll volleys are a part of the dropping drill anyway. So we will get to some of this, but if all you did in 6 weeks was hit these 4 targets and master those shots, I wouldn't be surprised if your rating went up a quarter of a point. The investment from the program is $450. As a bonus for this program, I'm going to do 2 video critiques of your game. So probably the first lesson, I'll have you play an actual game, and then I'll do a video critique. And that's partly to establish what the main priorities are for you. And I want every student in the program to know their top 3 things. And then we'll do another video review at the end, lesson 6, so that we can measure progress and also see what's next for you and to celebrate. Next step, if you're interested or you already know you want in, send me an email at david@pickleballcoachingasheville.com, and I'll put you on the wait list for the next round of invites. If I do send you an invite, it'll be for a screening call to make sure that this is a fit and that you're good with the agreements. And if we're a yes, you'll make your payment so that I know you're in, and then I'll start working the scheduling magic. And again, if for some reason I can't make the scheduling work for you, or I can't find an appropriate partner for you, I'll just refund you the tuition in full, and maybe you can catch the next one. That's it. Talk soon.